Okay, student, for step 1 2, the number of cations they are monovalent, they are 8, and the number of anions they are divalent, they are 7. Now multiplying 8 by 7, you will get 8 sevens are 56. The total formulas would be 56. Write the valencies as plus 1 and minus 2. By shifting these valencies to x and y as suffix of x and y, you will get x2 y1. 1 is not written, so the final formula will be x2 y. Okay students, since for step 1 2 the general formula is x2 y, so for the cations you have to write suffix 2, and for the anions the suffix is 1, that is neglected. When hydrogen combines with oxygen, it will give you H2O. This is water. H2, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. H2CO3, carbonic acid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Next is A3PO4, phosphoric acid. H2C2O3, hydrogen oxalate. H2S2O3, hydrogen thiosulfate. Next is lithium. Li2O, lithium oxide. Li2S, lithium sulfide. Li2CO3, lithium carbonate. Li2SO4, lithium sulfate. Li2HPO4, lithium biphosphate. Li2C2O3, lithium oxalate. Li2S2O3, lithium thiosulfate. For sodium, you will write Na2O, sodium oxide. Na2S, sodium sulfide. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, well-known compound. Na2SO4, sodium phosphate, a well-known compound. Na2HPO4, sodium biphosphate or sodium hydrogen phosphate, lithium hydrogen phosphate. Both chemical names are used. Okay, Na2C2O3, sodium oxalate. Na2S2O3, sodium thiosulfate. For potassium, K2O, potassium oxide. K2S, potassium sulfide. K2CO3, potassium carbonate. K2SO4, potassium phosphate. K2HPO4, potassium biphosphate or potassium hydrophosphate. K2C2O3, potassium oxalate. K2S2O3, potassium thiosulfate. For silver, you will get Ag2O, silver oxide. Ag2S, silver sulfide. Ag2CO3, silver carbonate. Ag2SO4, silver sulfate. Ag2, HPO4, silver biphosphate, Ag2, C2O3, silver oxalate, Ag2, S2O3, silver thiosulfate. For cuprous, Cu2O, cuprous oxide, Cu2S, cuprous sulfide, Cu2CO3, cuprous carbonate, Cu2SO4, cuprous sulfate, Cu2HPO4, cuprous biphosphate, Cu2 C2O3, cuprous oxalate, Cu2 S2O3, cuprous thiosulfate. For mercurous, Ag2O, mercurous oxide, Hg2S, mercurous sulfide, Hg2CO3, mercurous carbonate, Hg2SO4, mercurous sulfate, Ag2HPO4, mercurous biphosphate, Hg2C2O3, mercurous oxalate, Hg2S2O3, mercurous thiosulfate. Now ammonium. This is a complicated ion. Since it contains nitrogen and hydrogen, so you will write not 2 but the twice number will come. For the formula X2Y, the twice will come because it contains nitrogen and hydrogen, 2 elements. Okay, continuing. Ammonium, NH4 twice, O, ammonium oxide, NH4 twice, S, ammonium sulfide, NH4 twice, CO3, ammonium carbonate, NH4 twice, SO4, ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice, HPO4, ammonium biphosphate, NH4 twice, C2O3, ammonium oxalate, NH4 twice, S2O3, ammonium thiosulfate. This is the end of step 1-2. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video we will discuss step 1-3.